Welcome back to our channel. I'm Cher with Cher's Craft Addict, and we are super excited to have you here with us today. Today we're going to make a wonderful project for brand new parents, grandparents, or just those who are gift givers. Today we're going to make a sublimation baby bib, and we're going to give you the DIY steps to that.
First, you're going to need a few items. You're going to need a baby bib that's made out of 100% polyester or a 65% minimal blend for optimal sublimation, sublimation paper and ink, heat-resistant tape, a heat press machine, protective paper, and scissors.
Step is you're going to cut your design out. Now I've pre-cut mine, but I'm just going to do a little bit more cutting because I want to be as close as I can to the photo so that I do not have too much overlap onto the bib. Take that, put it off to the side, and then we're simply going to print this upside or tape this upside down. Now what's important is when you printed this, if there was names on it or any lettering, you would have wanted to make sure you printed this in reverse. There was none, so I wasn't too worried about it. So we're just going to lay it on here, and I just like to eyeball. Now if I had lettering and stuff like that, I would want to make sure that it was a little bit more straight and I would measure, but since this is a pretty easy project and the elephant is a little tipsy, and I mean tipsy sitting to the side, we are just going to tape him down. And there you have, all you got to do, our baby bib. We've put a protective sheet on the heat press so that the ink does not accidentally spill onto the pad underneath, and then we're going to put a protective pad above it, just so the ink doesn't mess up the top if there is any leakovers. We're going to push it down, and we're going to let it go for 60 seconds. Our baby bib's been in here for 60 seconds. We're going to take it out. We are going to use our heat resistant glove to pick it up, and we're going to shut off our machine, and then we're going to take this over to the work table and we're going to let it cool a little bit. All right, our baby bib has been cooling. It's cool to the touch. We can now take the print off and let's see how cute he came out. Oh, he's adorable. Look at him or her. And there you have it, your very own sublimation baby bib. Now, I just want to remind you that if you enjoyed this tutorial and you like our videos, hit that subscribe and like button down below so that you can get more of our wonderful tutorials and vlogs in the future. Also, head on over and check out our Facebook page or our Instagram page and let us know how you like these videos and what you would like to see in the future. Until next time, happy crafting!